in rural areas. So next slide, sir. So let us check how our skill development program is offering with these latest technologies. So Gartner study says, for your information, Gartner is world's leading research and advisory company. It says 87% of business leaders needs digitization on priority in their organization. So, as you can see in this table, there are 55 unique job roles identified across 8 technologies. That means this study is being made by NASCOM and BCG. BCG is Boston Consulting Group, which is working as an advisory body for industries in case of innovations and value creation strategies. And NASCOM is National Association of Software and Service Companies. So there are top 8 technologies mentioned by NOSCOM and BCG. Our skill development program is covering top 5 technologies by the study of NOSCOM and BCG. So these are from the table, I would say we are covering big data analytics, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, social and mobile, along with Internet of Things. So this is mentioned here: data science, PLC, SCADA, IoT, and embedded systems. So with data science or AI, I would say data science that includes AI, ML, and deep learning. With AI, there is going to make revolutionary change in medical science and agricultural. So as I said, Gartner study needs digitization on priority in their organizations. So PLC, SCADA, and IoT embedded systems will be going to move this organization or an industry, or it is going to take organization towards digitalization using industry 4.0. So from these 8 we are targeting first 5 technologies. I will going to tell you about rest of the 3 technologies in my next slides. So with this, with our program or with our skill development program, we are going to give youngsters and hands-on training on the latest technologies so that they can become an industry-ready candidate. So as you can see here, there is a graph shown in the top right corner, bottom right corner, that says design jobs high on demand, which gives 20%, which is the highest percentile for analytics. So data science includes analytics in our course. Okay, next slide, sir. Okay, to bridge the gap between industry and academics, we are launching Skill Up Academy. The next slide. I would like to quote here, or I remember Mother Teresa, and I would like to quote here about Mother Teresa. She says, I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together we can do great things. I feel immense pleasure and I'm feeling really happy to announce that we are launching Skill Up Academy in association with Qualitas Techno Solutions Private Limited and Siddham Innovation and Business Incubation Center, which is located at Kolhapur. And together we are uh, going to give an opportunity to students to upskill themselves, and we are providing, or we are working to provide an immediate employment to our dear students. So Mr. Suryakant Dodmise is working as a CEO at Siddham Innovation and Business Incubation Center. He has an experience working with incubation center of 7 to 8 years. And this incubation center, which is located at Kolhapur, is providing an excellent infrastructure to startups, and they're working to boost startup innovative ideas. So I would like to give you more information about Qualitas Techno Solutions in the next slide. So next slide, please. So Qualitas is established in 2016, which is a sister concern company of MCS Testing Machines, which is established in 1996. We are house focusing on latest technologies, which includes giving solutions to smart cities. We are into chemical manufacturing. We have 1,000 plus customers In material testing machines, we are having customers in engineering colleges as well. We have an enthusiastic and young team of R&D experts working with us. We have products. I would like to mention the products here. We are into water meter solutions. We have provided air quality monitoring systems to defense as well as to many municipal corporations. We are into testing machines. We are into industrial automations. Along with automations, we are into chemical industries, providing flow reactors and water purification systems to sewage treatment plants. Our associate partners, to talk about that, we are working as a channel partnering for Handbag, which is a South Korean company, and dealing with emerging technologies in engineering. I would like to go back to previous slide to tell you about what all technologies are included here with Handbag. Sir, previous slide. One more previous, yeah, last slide, previous, yeah. So I mentioned here 8 technologies, or the top 8 technologies. So Handbag, we are working with Handbag in all these technologies, which includes AR/VR, IoT, and AI in agricultural, 3D printing, cloud computing, social media, data science, data analytics. You mention or you name any technology, we are working on the same. So to start with our skill development program, we are focusing on best 5 technologies. And in the later part, we are going to include all the technologies in our program. So next slide. Yes, next slide. So our mission is to provide all the latest technologies to our dear students, so that there is or there can be an industry ready candidate ready for employment. Next slide. Next slide. So I request Mr. Dudmisi to talk more about next slide, sir. Previous slide. Previous slide, sir. Previous. Yeah. So I request Mr. Dodmisi to talk about the incubation center and the services provided by the center. Sir, I hand over the session to you.
Thank you. Can you hear me properly? Hello. Hello, Saili, can you hear me? Hello. So,
yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, sir, word.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Can you see the screen also?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, all dear participants. And basically, I am very glad to say you that I am alumni of DKT, and I am very glad to say you also that being an alumni, I am presenting in front of you. Thank you, DKTians and Dr. S. Patil sir, Karge madam, and all other staffs of ETC department. I can say whole DKT is responsible for this day today. So thank you so much. So I am Suryakant, as Saili has given introduction. So basically, we have started this incubation center along with the previously with RIT. You can say I was working from last 6 to 7 years in the same field of innovation and incubation. So today I want to introduce about what is the opportunity you are getting in our area, which can be sustainable to or useful to generate the innovations and incubation in our zone. So that is very, very important. Basically, civic. Why we have established the civic? So civic is having the proper way of vision mission, which is founded in 2021 with the passionate and visionary leaders with the mission to create innovative, successful and impactful startups through skilling and education. So I am talking about the skilling and education. Here we are going to give the skills, which is a gap in industry as well as the education. People are saying, what is the skill? Actually, it is a skill. It is a way of filling the gap of industry and we can say the education or academia, where which is very important to industries to get ready engineers for industry. So these things we are doing under the under our incubation and providing the education. So we are going to provide the education to all uh, who are connecting to this one. So what are the values we are going to create which is going to create the impact for local ecosystem. So to build a high capacity business model using right resources and knowledge to create the sustainable ecosystem with social impact. What we are going to tell that, so whenever any student or any person as an entrepreneur or any person with his idea is getting connected to the incubator, we are going to give them a lot of many knowledge to create the social impact nearby to this area. So by providing the knowledge as well as the resources of the incubator. So these are the values we are going to create, where entrepreneur sales center, you can say excellence in innovation with impact. So impact factor is very important. So whatever we are going to create, that is going to create the impact to the social or create the impact to the startups. So we have spirit of the innovation and collaboration. We want to collaborate with the student, with the innovation and ecosystem through the industry as well as the academia. So we respect to every individual. So we are keeping our aim that we should respect to every individual. Otherwise, there is no chance to go ahead. So we are going to keep the transparency, honesty, and accountability with integrity actions. So we are going to make the actions with the innovation as well as the student ideation. So that is our main value, which is going to be provided to. So what kind of services we are going to provide? How the business incubators help the startups? Very, very important. See, it's not only about the civic. You can connect to any kind of incubator which is well established in RIT also. You have the incubator in your institution also. So it is going to work. So we are going to provide with our experience seed funding to your ideation, angel investors where you require whenever you require any kind of mentoring with the different services, technical assistance. If you want to file the IP, if you want to file the IP or patent, so that support is also going to be done. Marketing expertise. So basically, if anybody is having the product ready and he want to launch into the market and he is getting some problem to launching, so that kind of help we are going to provide through the incubation center. Finance and accounting services. If you want to register a single company, we will provide you whole guidance from input to startup scaling. You can say, sir, registration, ideation to product, then startup scaling, networking. If you need networking with local incubators or any industry, local area all over India, all over Maharashtra, you can say that also can support to entrepreneurs. Shared operational costs. So suppose if you are going to have your office in our incubator, so you can come here and join together. So expensive workplace. So in expensive workplace, where you want to have, if you want to have your space which is inside the incubator, that is also going to provide. So these are the different services we are going to provide through the incubator, and we are focusing on 5 major sectors which are very important, and these sectors are going to correlate to local ecosystem. So one kind of, there is a manufacturing, we are connected with local industries, where we are going to work with IR 4.0. So industry revolution 4.0, which is very important. So any industry who want to fill their gap, who want to increase their profit margin, that can be done through this IR 4.0. So this is the profit connect idea we are going to make. We are connecting to the industry, taking the ideas, giving it to the students, and with the intensive programs, we are going to make that product to be developed for industry, and we are going to make the combination of student with that department as well as to the college, and we are going to give credit to the department where this is the product which has been developed by that department by using the students. So that is that kind of facilitation we are going to provide here. So agriculture AI, which is locally ecosystem based artificial intelligence, as you know, Israel technology, they are going with very high speed in the technology in terms of the agriculture. So same way we are going to help the startups in agriculture AI. Healthcare is one of the major part which is very important, and here we are going to support the local startup as well as the ideation to prototype and product commercialization. Food sectors, we are going to work in the food sectors also, because we have a lot many hotel lines, where we are having tourism area, then we are having the education sector. So all these 5 sectors we are going to work for as an incubator. Basically, I want to tell you why. So these are the civic. What are the civic programs we are going to give? So first is a pre-incubation. Suppose your student or any entrepreneur or any final year founder students who are going to want launch his startup. So he can join us with the pre-incubation mode where his idea will be converted into a proper prototype, and proper prototype will be converted into the commercialization model, which is based on local ecosystem. So this kind of support can be developed, that is called as a pre-incubation model. Your idea will be converted into commercial product. So S-Pitch is also one of the program, that is a civic pitch. We are going to take the pitch for final year students or recently passed out the students who want to become a successful entrepreneur, and we will convert that idea to product commercialization by awarding some honorary amount to that idea. So mentoring and technical assistance. If anybody is having the pilot project or prototype, you want to scale it, that kind of technical support or any kind of idea to product development, commercialization, IP, as I told you. So these are the facilitation we are going to provide to our incubator. So incubator is one of the best idea. If any institute want to make their incubator as a successful incubator, that kind of aggregation model is also going to be developed through this incubation center, which is very important. Because if you see, the government is going to tell all the institutions to have their own incubation center inside the campus. We are coming with lot many SOPs for making this incubation through this program, incubating incubators. So that is these are the programs. What is the sector specific we are going to work. Now the thing is, why civic? So civic is going to provide a lot many things to you. So we work for tier 2 and tier 3 cities along with the can say local villages to create the entrepreneurial ecosystem. So that's why the basic principle which is required, that is available through this incubator. If the startups work from Kolhapur, what will happen if you work from our incubator? So if you work for you can serve for the villages as well as semi-urban areas across the India. And after getting successful inside the India, you can expand your business through worldwide, which is going to create the impact in economic pyramid. So that kind of support we are going to provide through our incubator. Then what kind of opportunity you will get through this? Sorry, opportunity to get knowledge, skills, experimental learning, as well as experimental analysis. All these things you are going to learn as we are connected with 8 industrial associations, with thousands of the industries. Participate will get access the real-time problems which are going to be defined by the industry through internship programs. So opportunity to get industry sponsored projects on live internship. So through civic, through the profit can means, suppose if I have the idea which is given by the industry for their product development and for their product commercialization, we are going to call the students to work with that ideas and to work with the incubator, and how this idea can be converted to commercial product, and that sharing can be done with the student as well as that particular department or institution with incubator, and that product will be commercialized for the industry by this local ecosystem. So this is the opportunity we are getting to civic, opportunity to work with the industry to build employability skills. Employability skills are very important nowadays. We are saying that why there are lot many jobs available in the market, but students or any employable person is not going to get the employability because of the skill gap. So skill gap is going to be filled through our incubator. So according to find innovative solutions and venture into successful startups. So all innovative solutions or ideas can be converted into ventures as well as the startups. So certification from industry body. So build critical thinking and self-presentation skills. So what should be my presentation, how it can be presented. So these skills also can be taught into these internship programs. A platform to convert innovative solutions into startup to skill for developing the entrepreneurship skills. So that's why the CBT is having very much important for local ecosystem. So thank you so much, Saili, for introducing me and the civic area. So this is the important, what is the area we started in Kolhapur, and we want to expand it 4 to 5 district places. So thank you so much, Saili. Just I will hand over to Saili for the next presentation. Saili, please. Yes, I did. Yeah, so it's over from my
Just
side.
a minute. Hello. Yeah,
Yes.
I was getting some issue to unmute.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's what from my side.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot. So now this incubation centers are becoming a key facilitator for businessing or for building a business or a startup ecosystem at our country. So I'll just want Suryakant sir to open the presentation so that I can share my rest of the slides.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Next slide. Yeah. So through Skill Up Academy, we have planned two different courses. One is online course and another is offline course. So under offline course, we are offering you data science, PLC SCADA, industrial automation, and IIoT embedded systems. And under online course, we are offering you data science, IIoT, and embedded systems because PLC SCADA kits are much more costlier, so we cannot afford this course under our online courses. So next slide, we will see why to join Skill Up Academy. Yes. So we have our industry experts and our team who have identified these top 5 technologies, and we have converted these technologies into 3 core skills. We do offer or we do give short tests to our students or to our participants to check their performances during the training. We do give, of course, we do give course completion certificate along with we are allowing them to have a training in an industry for 4 to 6 months, and we are offering them training certificate. Along with professional skills and technical skills, we are offering soft skills. Your professional skills will get covered under this point where we provide mock interviews and mock interviews preparations by our industry experts so that you can be ready before appearing for your final interviews. We are also giving job recommendations to 50 plus companies. Okay, next slide, sir. We can see why. Next slide, sir. Yeah, sir. So, sir, you'll tell students how this can be beneficial, how the Skill Up Academy can be beneficial to our students.
Okay.
Previous slide, sir.
So
Yeah.
already I have covered this part. Basically, I can again repeat.
Yes.
So where you are going to get the knowledge, skills, and experimental learning, which is very important. Experimental learning, you are getting hands-on experience with the Skill Up Academy. So that is very important. Also, including incubation as well as the QTS is connected with 8 industrial association nearby to our area, and connected with the thousands of industry where we are getting a lot of internship programs. We are going to go give the sponsored projects which are not paid but which are going to be connected with the live projects. So through the Profit Connect. So industry is going to pay us for this program. That is very important. So we are going in different ways. See, this Skill Up Academy is going to enhance the employability skills, which is a skill gap between the student as well as the knowledge. You can say the knowledge skill gap, which is very important, technical and soft skills or professional skills also. So we are going to provide the solution. So basically, the main target we are going to give is even if you don't want to become a successful entrepreneur, you can become a topmost manager in any kind of company by using this knowledge of Skill Up Academy. Certification from industry, building critical thinking and self presentation skills. So all these skills we are going to inculcate inside the student, which is very important. And the ultimate aim is to convert innovative solutions into startup opportunity to get entrepreneurship skills. So this is the benefit you are getting through the Skill Up Academy. So I will take over to the Sally. Sally, please.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you so much for attending this webinar. I request you students to please fill the Google Forms, which we have already shared with Gadke madam, and she'll share with you all, and please share that so that in our next sessions or in our next webinars, you'll get a chance to interact with our industry experts from the domains we are offering training in.
Hi, Saili, just one
Yeah.
second. So if any, we'll allow first 5 students to ask the question. So
Yes,
if they
yes,
are
yes,
able to
please.
ask the
Yeah.
questions, we'll try to give the answer. So
Yeah.
the students who are on Zoom, so they can ask
Students who are
directly.
on Zoom, you can ask the questions if you have any doubts
Yeah.
related to technologies or about our program. Please ask. Please do ask
Or,
questions.
or you can write it in the text chat box. Please.
Yes.
So we are allowing only 5 questions. So you can ask. Our faculty also can ask. No problem. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, during this pandemic situation, whether these online courses are right now going on?
Yes, sir. Yeah, madam. Yes, these online courses are going on. We are providing courses on data science right now.
And what are the fee structures and those all things? Can you share with me afterwards?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
sure,
that
madam. Yes.
if any students are interested, they can join. No?
Yes, madam. We will be sharing you that after this webinar. And we will mention the fee structure in our Google Forms as well.
Okay. And what will be the plan of approach for the students if they are coming with any idea? How you are going to tackle with these all things?
Yes, Nina. So it's my question. I'll be happy to give the answer of this. If student
Okay, sir.
if student is coming with the idea, so really we are going to take their presentation. We have our industry body where he has to present in front of that body. And if that idea is having really futuristic idea which can be converted into product and real product, and it can be commercialized, we are looking into that. And if really that idea covers this process, we will support them to prepare the prototype, and prototype to commercialization. I will add one customer also if they are interested, or they can sell by their own, and he can form the startup. Startup can be formed by the student and provide. So that is the process already I explained in my slide, and we are going to support for that. Really, if you need seed funding also, that kind of support also we are going to give.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So anybody from students who wants to ask questions?
Okay. So there is one question, Saili ma'am, from
Okay.
Slisha Patil, that in Google form there is no fee structure mentioned. Please share. Yes. That question already we have covered.
Yes.
We are going to give all the details to Kadge ma'am, so she is going to share with you.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I will share.
Yeah.
those things.
किती वाजपर्यंत चालणार आहे?
Okay.
माझी भाकरी आहे.
Friends,
Any other questions, or shall we move towards
Yes.
ending the webinar?
I suppose, Saili,
Yeah.
we will have to end now.
Okay.
Before you end from your end, I
Okay.
like to thank you and Dodmise sir and both of you for doing the arrangement for this webinar and making our students aware about the concept of this incubation, what at all processes are involved under these all incubation processes, how we can help in best manner to our students, the different steps that you people are going to take to help the students for their innovative ideas. Those all things you have discussed, and being the local person, how best they can get the solution at the Kolhapur platform itself is also extended by you people. And definitely I assure from the end of the students and from our college also that our students will be taking the benefit of those all things. And once again, on behalf of DKT Textile Institute of Itsalkanji and our Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, I would like to thank both of you for
Thank you, madam.
sparing
Yes.
your time and sharing those important things and important issues with our students. Thank you, both of you. Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you, Saili.
so thank you all
Thank you,
dear.
madam.
So thank you, madam. Thank you all dear students.
Yeah.
So stay safe. So I think I wish best
Yeah,
of
but-
luck to all of you. Thank you.
Yes, and it gives immense pleasure to deliver this vote of thanks for today's event to all dignitaries and to our dear students assembled here. Special thanks to S.A. Patil sir and Kadge madam, who has given us an opportunity to present this webinar today with DKT. Thanks a lot so much all.
Thank you.
So